Hi folks, this is Andy Ragg with I guess the video that you've all been waiting for. This is my home-built JTM45. As you can see, it's plugged in, it's powered on. The dim bulb tester is not in line, that's the dim bulb tester there. And I'm going to be playing through my vintage VRS gold top with the iron gear dirty torque pickup. I'm going straight into the amp. The channels are jumpered. I'm currently running a 2 amp slow blow fuse and it seems to be working. I've been playing for the last 20 minutes or so and can't really see anything untoward, no silly smells or anything like that. So let's get to it then. Let me just well, let's just show you the settings I'm currently playing on. So I've presence, bass, all of that lovely stuff. So, and I don't know whether you can see that, but the master volume is on about 2 or 3. So there we are. Seems to be working pretty well. Sounds pretty good from here. So let me just rig up with the guitar, put the camera somewhere safe so it can record, and we'll go from there. Okay, hope you can all see this. Guitar, amp, we're on. That's with the guitar wide open. Some chords. If I roll back the volume pot on the guitar, so that's the bridge pickup. This is the neck pickup. This is the standard Wilkinson pickup that comes with this guitar. So back to the bridge.